In this video, we will see Stone-Light Indiana limestone panels being installed on the suburban Cadillac project in a suburb of Detroit. We see one elevation where panels have, some panels have been installed. Stone Panels has BIM capabilities, that is building information modeling capability. Our Cadillac shop drawings are done in Revit, although most of our other shop drawing work is done in AutoCAD. Here we see a section at the base of the building. You'll note that the bottom interlocking channel is located 3.5 inches above the bottom of the stone, or the intended bottom stone location. And here we see a piece of bottom interlocking channel that has been installed. Note 3.5 inches, 3.5 inch dimension from bottom of stone to bottom of the first interlocking channel. Above that point, there will be a joint channel that is factory anchored to the top of the panel. That joint channel is anchored to the backup system. Note that the interlocking channel here that is anchored to the backup system almost always will have a 3/8 inch joint between pieces of stone, which will later be given a backer rod and sealant. When they're anchoring to masonry, they'll use a different type of fastener. It's normally a threaded screw anchor, such as Tapcon. Here we see the elevation that they'll be working on, the north elevation of the building. Every panel has a number, and the panels are shipped in pallet crates. So they build a pallet, they put some expanded polystyrene at the base and around the perimeter of the panels, and of course every panel that goes in does have a number.
Any 146s except for in, I think it was crate 9.
So every crate has a packing.
Right, it has tells you the piece number, then it tells you the how many.
Yeah, right.
And then up here it tells you the crate.
Okay.
You know, and then you just look for the crate, and then you find the piece number.
Right.
And there should be that many in there.
Working from the shop drawings and that packing list, the panels will be taken from the crate and put on a cart for transport to the installing area. Typical panels are 16 inch high, 48 inch long, and as we'll see later, they do have a false joint in the center, so it appears to be a 16 by 24 module. At the job site, they're taken from the cart and stacked in the proper location for installing. They do have to be careful in handling. It is possible for the stone to be chipped at the edge if there's not careful handling. However, if there should be a chip, it can be repaired with a pigmented resin. Next, the panels will be taken from the storage location at the building and put into a lift. This mobile boom lift or aerial lift is used for installing above about the 6-foot level. They normally will stack at least 10 pieces in the basket before booming up to the install location.